The pulse of now, a planetary whisper. There is a tremble in the field, not of fear, but of becoming. A soft uprising in the hearts of many, a remembering long buried beneath noise and forgetting. The earth is humming, the stars are listening, and humanity is stirring from its sleep. We are shedding skins of separation, breaking open the old stories and reaching tenderly, fiercely for something new. In this moment, the soul of the world is calling for resonance, not reaction, for presence, not performance, for love, not as a feeling, but as a frequency. And so we gather, not to escape the world, but to re enchant it, to chant ourselves back into wholeness, to remember that we are not waiting for the light. We are the light, remembering itself. This is the pulse of now. This is the rhythm of return. This is the love that midwives the world. A divine calling to remember. There is a quiet call rising in the hearts of many. A call to remember who we are beneath the noise, to return to the current of love that flows through all things. This gathering is an answer to that call. Through the sacred rhythm of mala beads and the mantra, I am that love, self, being, essence, source. We come together to harmonize our souls, to uplift our consciousness, and to ripple resonance into the collective field. This is not just a chant, it is a ceremony of remembrance, a weaving of voices into one sacred vibration, a return to the truth that we are not separate from the divine. We are its living expression. Come as you are, bring your beads, your breath, your becoming. Let us chant not just for ourselves, but for the healing of the whole. You are that love. We are that love. And together we rise. So grab your mala beads and let us begin. I am that love. 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 So may it be.